So, you want to start shooting film but don't know where to begin? These 5 cameras are beginner favorites. This video is sponsored by Cute Camera Co., where your vintage film cameras are lovingly restored. Let's meet the top beginner film cams from 76 through 92. First up is the Pentax K1000, voted most reliable in the class of 76. Pentax is the student who never misses a class and somehow makes even the most complicated concepts simple. This is the camera you'll rely on no matter what. Fully manual, built to last, and perfect for learning the fundamentals. Next up, we've got our Canon AE1 program, voted best dressed in the class of 81. The program is an iconic SLR with automatic features, making it stylish and practical. It mixes style with substance, offering a perfect balance between manual and automatic settings, ensuring you look good without trying too hard. Minolta X-700, our class president in the class of 81. As the student body president, the Minolta X-700 always gets things done. Whether it's letting you take control with manual settings or stepping in with its automatic modes, it's the perfect balance of leadership and support. Our Canon SureShot Telemax, voted most versatile in the class of 91, is the kid who's good at everything. Sports, academics, and art. It's the camera that lets you capture any moment without thinking too hard. Compact with zoom features, it's always ready to take the shot in any situation. Finishing off our roundup is the Pentax IQ Zoom, voted most popular in the class of 92. The Pentax IQ Zoom is the camera that everyone has or wish they had. With its zoom lens and automatic features, it captures every moment with ease, perfect for the casual shooter who wants to have fun without worrying about settings. As the social butterfly of the group, this classic point-and-shoot with zoom is built for convenience and fun. These cameras truly are the overachievers of their time and will remain timeless. Let us know in the comments which one you think is best.
It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by love.